When Asus approached me about their concept for CES 2023, they mentioned this year focus will be sustainability. They wanted to display computers that incorporate items that have either been recycled or repurposed. I started to do research ideas for projects, and I came across this awesome 1970 Ludwig drum set. And I asked the guy, how long has it been sitting here? He said it's been sitting here for a while due to the imperfections the actual drum had. So I said, well, let me go ahead and just take it and give it a shot, because it is so interesting, because the whole drum itself is fully clear acrylic. I think it would be pretty awesome to see a custom computer inside of the drum. I think it is pretty amazing. So the drum set itself had a few imperfections and actually drew my attention, because I wanted something that's not so pristine but also shows some age. For CES, I wanted to show something that really hasn't been done in the community, so I took the opportunity to use this drum and show it that it can be repurposed in a modern way. That's what's cool about PC DIY. So once I got the drum, the first thing I did, resurface and polish the acrylic. Then I created a motherboard base plate, which will allow the computer to appear floating inside the drum. The plate holds the motherboard, the GPU, the power supply, the radiator, and the distribution plate, which is the reservoir. I think just that in general, compact everything, knowing how big stuff is now, and putting it into a tom drum set, I mean, that's pretty amazing. I like the way everything turned out. So I can't wait for you guys to see in person those who will be at CES.